Alright, problem 4 says Kayla flips a nickel and rolls a fair number cube with faces numbered 1 through 6. What is the probability of Kayla flipping heads on the nickel and rolling a 6 on the number cube? So we want the probability of heads and then a 6. That's equal to the probability of flipping heads times the probability of rolling a 6. The probability of flipping heads is 1/2 because there are 2 possible outcomes and 1 successful outcome, or 1 favorable outcome, heads. There's only 1 way you can flip heads and 2 possible ways to flip the coin, heads or tails, so 1/2. And the probability of rolling a 6 would be there's 1 6 on the die, but 6 possible numbers. The sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's 6 possibilities, but you can only win with a 6. So it's 1/2 times 1/6. Top times top, bottom times bottom. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 6 is 12. So the probability is 1/12. Number 5 says complete the table below to show the sequence that follows the rule -1 plus 2n, where n represents the position of a term in the sequence. So for any n, the rule is -1 plus 2n. And we're going to use that rule. First, let's check this. They gave us one of them. Let's make sure they did that right. -1 plus 2n. If n is 1, so 2 times 1, -1 plus 2 times 1. -1 plus 2 is +1, so that's correct. -1 plus 2n, this time n is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and -1 plus 4 is 3. For a value of n equals 3, -1 plus 2 times 3, 2 times 3 is 6, and -1 plus 6 is 5. For a value of n equals 4, -1 plus 2 times 4, 2 times 4 is 8, and -1 plus 8 is +7. And for a value of 5, -1 plus 2 times 5, 2 times 5 is 10, -1 plus 10 is +9. Number 6, a weather station recorded temperatures during February in Buffalo, New York. The highest temperature they recorded was 57. The lowest temperature they recorded was -14. What was the range of temperatures? Range equals the high minus the low. So 57 minus -14. When we're subtracting integers, we use boss change twice. Don't mess with the boss. Change subtraction to addition, and change the sign of the second integer. So this is 57 plus +14, which is 71 degrees Fahrenheit. You could also, actually I should use a vertical number line for this one, since we're talking about temperatures. It's like a thermometer. Okay, if 0 is here, 57 is way up here, -14 is down here. So to get the full range, this piece is 57, from 57 to 0, and this is 14. That's why you add 57 plus 14. Okay, number 7, the school by the way, I'm sure everyone knows this, but this was meant to be, this is just a joke, so I'm just trying to keep the review lighthearted. Obviously, the school cafeteria does not use mystery meat. The school cafeteria buys mystery meat in large quantities to reduce cost. If it takes 0.25 pounds of mystery meat to make 1 barbecued riblet sandwich, how many barbecued riblet sandwiches can the cafeteria make with a 10-pound bag of mystery meat? So, let's see. We've got a 10-pound bag. Let's draw a picture here. 10-pound bag of mystery meat, and each sandwich takes 0.25 pounds. So we're going to divide that 10-pound bag up into sandwiches that are 0.25 pounds each. So we need to divide 10 divided by 0.25 to find out how many sandwiches we can make. Problem is, we don't want to divide by a decimal. Oh, I realized just now that I'm not going to be able to finish this video. Okay, I'll pick this up in the next video.